Good morning, students. Welcome to Dawood EduTech YouTube channel. So I am happy to say I am started a new channel for teaching you as general nerds. So I think these videos are most helpful to you. So in these lessons, all the subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, and social studies, computers, like almost all GK related topics are covered. If you are writing in future any competitive exams, these videos are most helpful to you. Okay, so you have to do. So in the video section, after complete video section, see my videos. I think you are watching in WhatsApp. So directly you have to click on the link provided below. Okay, so you have to subscribe my channel, then only I am uploading newly videos. Every videos have to reach to you. Okay, let's start. Today the topics are, what are the topics, main topics I am explaining. So these are useful to almost all classes. Okay, you have to daily follow these videos, then only you can gain lot of knowledge about general knowledge. Okay, general knowledge is the most important in the daily life. Okay, if you are writing any exam, I think whatever may be in competitive exam or whatever may be your general exams, so in this section, see, general knowledge is very useful to you. That's why I am telling, I am starting these classes. So daily one or two videos are uploaded. So and after completion of these videos, I will give on some questions and you have to answer that. Okay, so let's start. What is general knowledge, what type of questions we have, and what type of topics we will be covered today. Okay, let's start. Okay friends, the first topic is national symbols. So in the national symbols, first one is one symbol that is nothing but here, national flag. So the national flag already, so this flag is proposed by, designed by Pingali Venkaya. So Pingali Venkaya designed this type of flag. This design is so super. Here see, the national flag, first one is here. This is one saffron color. So and the last one, the bottom of one is nothing but here green color, and the middle one is the white color. So saffron, green, white. So in between we have center the, which one is Ashoka Chakra. So Ashoka Chakra has nearly 24 spokes. Okay, this is our national flag. See, next one is a national emblem. So the national emblem is a lion capital of Ashoka at the Sarnath Viswara on 26th January 1950. The motto inscribed on the emblem is a Devanagari script. Okay, so in this emblem, they written the matter in Devanagari Satyameva Jayate written. This one is written in a Devanagari script. Okay, next one. Next national symbol is here, national anthem. National anthem, I don't know about that. So Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem. So the national anthem composed by Rabindranath Tagore, adopted by the Constituent Assembly 24th January 1950. Okay, so this national anthem was proposed, adopted or composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so this who is composed, Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore is composed, then it is adopted by our Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. Okay, so next one is national song. So national song is, already know about that, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was adopted as the national song of India in 1950. Okay, so next one is national flower. So Indian lotus is the national flower. It is the representation of purity as it remains flawless despite growing in the mud and water. Okay, so this is our national flower. Next one, national fruit. So national fruit is here mango, also known mango. So mango is known as the king of fruits. Why? Taste is so sweet to compare to another fruits. That's why I am taking here the national fruit is mango. So is the national fruit of India. Okay. So next topic is national river. Our national river. What is national river? Ganga is the national river of India. It is also the longest river of the country. Okay, that's why I'm taking. So that's why we are. Our India is taking. So river, national river, nothing but here Ganga. Ganga is the national river of India. Okay. Next, national tree. So what is the national tree here? The Indian banyan, Ficus bengalensis. So Ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of a national tree. So is the national tree. Okay, national tree here nothing but Indian banyan. Okay, next one is next symbol is national bird. Indian peacock is the national bird of India. So also already you know about that peacock. So peacock have very beautiful bird. So in the world, not only in India, in world. So that's why I'm taking the national bird is peacock. Okay. Next one, national animal. The tiger known as the lord of the jungle. So is the national animal of India. That's why I'm taking. We are taking the national animal is the tiger. Okay. Next, national calendar. So we are presently using the calendar is Shaka calendar. Shaka calendar is the we are using. It is introduced as the national calendar by the calendar committee in the 1957. So these are the national symbols. Once you look at, so what are the national symbols here? So here the national symbol, first symbol is national flag. So it is a tricolor flag. So who is proposed that Pingali Venkaya? Next national emblem is so what is national emblem? This one. So this is the national emblem. In the national emblem we have lion capital of Ashoka of Sarnath, which were adopted 26th January 1950. It is adopted from 26th January 1950. So then only we have the freedom. So that day it is proposed the national emblem. Next, national anthem. National anthem we are so every day in the schools or the colleges or everywhere. So we are singing the song that is nothing but national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. So Jana Gana Mana. So this is who is the composed by Ravindranath Tagore is composed this Jana Gana Mana. So it is adapted in Assembly Constitution 24th January 1950. A national song, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was adapted the national song India 1950. Okay. So national flower, Indian lotus is the national flower of representation of purity. It is remain flawless, deep space, growing in mud and water. That's why I'm taking, we are taking, this is national flower. Okay, national fruit. Mango is the known as the king of fruits. So is the national fruit of India. So next national river, Ganga is the national river. National tree, Indian banyan is the national tree. Next national bird, peacock is the national bird. Next national animal, tiger is the national animal. And national calendar, Shaka calendar is the national. This is the first topic. Next topic we have to see what is the famous person ceremonium. So crematorium. So crematorium of famous persons. So where is what we called as famous persons? Crematoriums. Crematorium. First one is the Ras Ghat. So Ras Ghat is the nothing but Mahatma Gandhi. So this is this crematorium of Mahatma Gandhi called as simply as a Ras Ghat. Next, Rajiv Gandhi's crematorium we called as Veer Bhumi. So Veer Bhumi. Next, K.R. Narayan's so we called as Uday Bhumi. So here the K.R. Narayan's crematorium we called as Uday Bhumi. So this one K.R. Narayan. So this K.R. Narayan crematorium is called as Uday Bhumi. So Uday Bhumi, K.R. Narayan's crematorium Uday Bhumi. Next, Ekta Ashtal, Gaini Jail Singh. So Gaini Jail Singh, Ekta Ashtal we called as Gaini Jail Singh. And Chandrasekhar, Gaini Jail Singh or Chandrasekhar we called as Ekta Ashtal. Next, Kishan Ghat, so Charan Singh. So Kishan Ghat crematorium we called as Charan Singh. Next, Vijay Ghat, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So Vijay Ghat crematorium we called as Lal Bahadur Shastri crematorium we called as simply Vijay Ghat. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru crematorium we called as Shanti One. Shanti One is the Jawaharlal Nehru's crematorium. Next, Jagjivan Ram. Jagjivan Ram's crematorium we called as Samata Ashtal. Samata Ashtal. Samata Ashtal. Okay, next Rajendra Prasad's crematorium we called as Mahaprayan Ghat. Mahaprayan Ghat. Next, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma's crematorium we called as Karma Bhumi. Okay, so Morarji Desai's crematorium we called as Abhay Ghat. Next, Indira Gandhi crematorium called as Shakti Ashram. So these are the main crematoriums of famous persons. So let's look another time. So what is the crematoriums? The first crematorium we called as Mahatma Gandhi crematorium. Simply we called as Ralghat. Rajghat. It is very, very famous. So next one Veerabhumi. Rajiv Gandhi's crematorium called as simply Veerabhumi. Next K.R. Narayan's crematorium is called as Uday Bhumi. Next Gaini Jail Singh or Chandrasekhar we called as simply so Ekta Akshal. Next Charan Singh's crematorium we called as Kishan Ghat. Next Lal Bahadur Shastri crematorium called as Vijay Ghat. Next Shantivan. The Jawaharlal Nehru's crematorium simply called as Shantivan. Why? So always Jawaharlal Nehru so pride for freedom. So that's why so we write as simply Shanti One. So Shanti is the name. That's why taking here Shanti One. Next Jagjivan Ram, Samata Ashal. Next Rajendra Prasad, Mahaprayan Ghat. Mahaprayan Ghat. Next Shankar Dayal crematorium Karma Bhumi. Next Morarji's crematorium Abhay Ghat. Next Indira Gandhi crematorium Shakti Ashal. So these are the famous persons crematoriums. Okay, you understand that? So this is the second topic today. Next one, the third topic is so awards. Already we know number of awards are presenting so in our world. What are the famous awards in which place, which field these awards are given? We have to understand which time they are started and which fields they are giving these awards. So first of all, we see that Nobel Prize. So this Nobel Prize is given to mainly so which type of fields here are presenting this Nobel Prize award? See, the Nobel Prize award is first one is the peace and the literature, medicine, physics, chemistry. So these fields they are mainly presenting. So what is this? Literature, medicine, and chemistry. So this one is the very, very important prize here. The Nobel Prize, Peace, Literature, Medicine, Physics, and Chemistry. This field they are presenting this Nobel Prize. So from 1901, it is started giving this all Peace, Literature, Medicine, and Physics, and Chemistry. After economics, they are started from 1969. First, they started from 1901. Okay, 1901. Okay, after that 1969 they are giving only on economics. Okay, not only presently they are giving almost all fields like peace, literature, medicine, physics, chemistry, and economics. Okay, just first the Nobel Prize is started for only so these fields peace, literature, medicine, physics, chemistry only. After that, sometimes later they are given to the economics also from 1969. Okay, next Pulitzer Prize. So this Pulitzer Prize is given in 1917. From 1917, only this prize given to the journalism. So journalism, we as struggle on journalism, we are very efficient in journalism. Okay, so that field only they are given in a Pulitzer Prize. Okay, next Academy Prizes. Academy Award we call simply Oscar Award. Oscar Award. So this Oscar Award is presenting from 1929. So Oscar Award is presenting from 1929. So if you still already know about that Oscar Award given to the almost all film fields. So that is in film fields. So already seen that Titanic, like lot of films, number of films, or they are presenting. Okay, next Kalinga Award. This Kalinga Award is mainly presenting on science from 1952. From 1952. Next Booker Prize. So Booker Prize mainly presenting literature only. Literature only. Next Grammy Award. Grammy Award is given to music only. So Grammy award is given to the music only from 1958. Raman Magsaysay award. I don't know about that his name. Raman Magsaysay. The name of Raman Magsaysay. The award is presenting this type of fields. Which one is government public service like social service and journalism, literature, communication, and international understanding from 1957. So these fields are presenting mainly Raman Magsaysay awards. That is the public service, social service, journalism, communication, and international understanding. Next, Bharat Ratna, a Bharat famous award in India. Our outstanding contributions in the field of art, literature, and science and public service. So mainly this Bharat Ratna is presenting that the fields are here art or literature or science and public services. So that's Bharata is very famous and very useful in our India. So this award is given to the mainly the field of art, literature, science and public service. Next one is the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. It also given to the film same as it is Oscar and Dada Salvi. This is India they are presenting from it is started from 1969. Next, Gnanipat Award. Gnanipat Award is given to the literature. Okay, so once of our look to this, what is the awards here? First one is Nobel Prize. So this award is given to the peace, literature, medicine, and physics, and chemistry, and economics. And Pulitzer Prize is mainly given to journalism, and Academy Awards given to the film in 1929. And Kalinga Award is given to the only science. Next, Booker Prize is given to the literature, and the Grammy Award is given to the music, and Raman Magsaysay Award given to the government service, social service, journalism, literature, communication, and international understanding. And Bharat Ratna for outstanding contribution of field of art, literature, science, and public service. Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given to the film only. Next, Gnanipat Award from it is given in 1965. This is given only for literature. So this is another topic. Next topic is what are the founders? So what are the founders? So of Indian institutions. So these are also merely very important. They are asking lot of exams. So who started Dharma Sabha? So what is the answer? Radha Kanta Dev. Like that, they are asking number of questions in this. Next, who started RSM as Swami Dayanand Saraswati? Like this. See, who are these famous person? They are started number of samas. They are so serving lot of in the social people's response to our not only India and world also. So these are mainly we are taking from India. See, first one is Arya Samaj, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. So who started this Swami Dayananda Saraswati? Okay, Swami Dayananda Saraswati started this Arya Samaj. Next, Ashmiya Sabha, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Atmiya Sabha, Atmiya Sabha started Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Atmiya Sabha started, who is that? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next, Brahma Samaj started Raja Ram Mohan Rai. It also, Brahma Samaj also started Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next, Deccan Education Society, G.G. Agarkar, M.G. Ranade, and V.G. Giribongar. So, these are persons, they started Deccan Education Society. Agarkar, Ranade, and Gibongar. So, Gibongar. These persons are started Deccan Education Society. Next, Dharma Sabha. So, who started Dharma Sabha? Radha Kanta Dev. Radha Kanta Dev started Dharma Sabha. Next, Indian Brahma Samaj, Kesav Chandra Sen. So, who started Indian Brahma Samaj? Kesav Chandra Sen. Next, Manava Dharma Sabha. Manava Dharma Sabha started by Durgaram Manjaram. Okay, next, Parthana Samaj, Atmaram Panduranga started Parthana Samaj. Next, Pune Seva Sadhan, Srimati Ramabhai Ranade and Devdhar. Okay, Ramabhai Ranade and Devdhar started so which Ramakrishna next watch one Pune Seva Sadhan. Okay, next one Ramakrishna Mission Swami Vivekananda started Ramakrishna Mission. Okay, these are the mainly the founders of institutions. Which one is Arya Samaj Saldada Damana Saraswati, Atmiya Sabha Rajaram Rai, Brahma Sabha Rajaram Rai, and Deccan Education Society. So Gigi Agarkar and Ranade and Gibongar, Dharma Sabha started by Radha Kantadev, and Indian Brahma Sabha started by Kesav Chandra Sen, and Manava Dharma Sabha started by Durgaram Manjaram, and Parthana Samaj Atmarang Panduranga, Pune Seva Sadan started by Ramabhai Ranade and G.K. Devdhar. Ramakrishna Mission, who started the Swami Vivekananda. So these are the founders of our Indian institutions. Okay, next one, famous nicknames of eminent persons. Already we know, so we are called these persons in with different names. Mainly, father of nation. We already know about that father of nation. Mainly, directly we can say, or simply, fastly we can say simply, that is nothing but here Mahatma Gandhi. Already know about that. So he is the famous freedom fighter. They are given freedom to our India. That's why the father of nation who called simply Mahatma Gandhi. Next, Iron Man of India. In Telugu, we see simply Ukku Manishi. We called as simply Ukku Manishi in Telugu. Like this, Iron Man of India, we call Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is the person. So Iron Man, we called as simply Iron Man of India. Next, Napoleon of India. Samudragupta, the person Samudragupta, we called as Napoleon of India. Next, Shakespeare of India, Kalidasa. He also write number of novels like Kalidasa, Shakespeare. That's why we are called as our Indian, the poet. We called as simply Shakespeare of India. He is a person Kalidasa. Kalidasa is a famous writer. Okay. So that's why he write as a Shakespeare, different novels and very beautiful and excellent novel he can write. Okay, so that's why we simply say Shakespeare of India. Next, Madan Mohan Malavya, we called as Mahatma. You could hear not Mahatma Gandhi, see Mahamana. Mahamana, we called as Madan Mohan Malavya. Mahamana, Madan Mohan Malavya. Next, Desbandhu, Chitrandan Das, simply we called as Chitrandan Das. So Desabandhu, the name we got here is Chitrandan Das. Next, Dinabandhu, C.F. Andrews. So the person, the name is here, C.F. Andrews. C.F. Andrews get the name, another name is, nickname is here, Dinabandhu. Next, Lal Lajpat Rai, Punjab Kesari. Lal Lajpat Rai, the name of nickname is called simply here Punjab Kesari. Lal Lajpat Rai, Punjab Kesari. Next, Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. So we called as Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. So next, Fluorescence Nightingale, Lady with the Lamp. So they are we called as simply Fluorescent Nightingale, Lady with the Lamp. The nickname of Fluorescent Nightingale here, Lady with the Lamp. Okay, next, Amir Khusro, we simple of Parrot of India, Ta-Ta-Ye-Hind. So directly we call Ta-Ta-Ye-Hind or Parrot of India. So whose name? Amir Khusro's name. Next, M.S. Golwalkar, Sri Guruji. So these are very important. Almost all competitive exams they are asking this type of pattern. Okay. So, what is the nickname of C.F. Andrews? Directly we can say, what is that? C.F. Andrews, Dinabandhu, like that. So, they are asking questions. For example, in multiple choice questions also, they are asking like these questions. So, what is the nickname of Mahatma Gandhi? We say simply as Bapu. Bapu are father of nation. We call as Mahatma Gandhi. Next, Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The one Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel name is here, Iron Man. Next, Samudragupta's nickname is Napoleon of India. Next, the Shakespeare India, nothing but here, Kalidasa. And Mahamana, who's called Mahamana, Madan Mohan Malavya, called as Mahamana. Chitrandan Das, we have called as Dina Bandhu. C.F. Andrews we called as sorry, Chittaranjan Das Desbandhu, not Dinabandhu. So we understand this. They are just some confusing view. So here the Chittaranjan Das is a Desha Bandhu. Okay, C.F. Andrews is a Dina Bandhu. So we have to little bit know the what is the difference here. Chittaranjan Das nickname is Desha Bandhu and C.F. Andrews nickname is Dina Bandhu. So Lala Lajpat Rai's nickname is Punjab Kesari, as it is Sarojini Nai's name as Nightingale of India, and Florence Nightingale's name is Lady with the Lamp. Amir Khusro's so name is Parrot of India. Like this, these are the names of so nicknames of famous persons. They are asking number of questions in the subjects. Okay, some facts about planets. So already we know about that. What are the planets? We know the planets are mainly 9 types, but one planet is the name. One planet, last one is so they are removed from the our planet's history. Okay, so see total what are the planets we have. See, these are totally planets. So in this, see, these are totally planets. See whatever planets we have. So net is very slow, that's why taking long time. We will show so how many types of planets we have. So these are nearly 8 type of planets. 9th planet is they are removed from a planet solar system. That's why it is not taking. Why means that is not behaving like a planet. That way we are removed. Okay, see. So first one is here. See, Mercury. This is near to the sun. And next one is Venus. Okay, next one is Earth. Next one is Mars. Next one is Jupiter. Next one is Saturn. Next one and Uranus. Next one is Neptune. Next one is Pluto. But Pluto planet is removed from so this solar system. Why they are removed from solar system means it is not behaving like a planet. So the self-revolving power is so very high to compare to another planets, and also they are changing their orbit to one place to another orbit. That means this planet will not revolve their own, so what we say, their own state. That's why we are removed from planets. So planets, solar system. Okay, see, so in this behavior, there's some fact about planets. The biggest planet is, we already know about that, Jupiter. The biggest planet is here we call simply Jupiter. Why that biggest planet? It is very huge planet to compare to another planets. See here. So the biggest planet is Jupiter. Okay, so this planet is very huge planet. Next one, biggest satellite is Ganymede. Next, blue planet is Earth. So Earth color always look like a very blue. That's why we called as blue planet. Why means total Earth is covered with a lot of oceans. So that's why look like blue color. That's why we called as simply blue planets. Next, green planet is Uranus. So Uranus has green color. So green, not only green color, they have some type of gases. That's why it is look like a green. So green planet we called as Uranus. Next, brightest planet we called as here Venus. So Venus is the so brightest planet. Venus is the so brightest planet. See here, Venus is the so brightest planet. Next, brightest planet outside solar system is Sirius. So Sirius means it is not our planet. This is another star's planet. Another stars means the star also, lot of stars in the universe we have already in this. These stars totally look like a sun. That means every star must have some planets. The solar, whatever we have solar system, like that every star definitely have number of planets revolving around this, around that, so that stars. That's why the nearest star within the our solar system nearest stars, we have another star. In the star where the planets, the nearest planet, bigger brightest planet outside the solar system is simply as a Sirius. Okay, next closest star solar system is Proxima Centauri. Okay, our solar system, we can see lot of stars on the when we are in a night at nights, they are looking lot of stars are visible to us. So in this, so mainly the brightest or closest, the brightest planets we can observe, that planet we called as Sirius. The closest star in solar system we can observe, that is a Proxima Centauri. So Proxima Centauri is the closest star to our solar system. So that is nearer to our solar system. That's why we can we can name this star as a Proxima Centauri. And the coldest planet is Neptune. Why? It is so far to solar system. So from some, okay, this planet Neptune, where is the Neptune? Neptune is lastly, we have last to compare to the very so far. That's why that is the totally the temperature is very less there. Why? These sun's rays are not so incident on this so Neptune. That's why, so we called as simply this is the coldest planet in Neptune. Next evening star we called as Venus. Why? In evening times we can appear the Venus star. So Venus star, that's why we called as a Venus. So evening star, not star, this is planet. The evening planet we call simply evening star we see here, but it is not star. Evening planet we called as a Venus. Next farthest planet of us from sun is Neptune. That is the farthest planet from sun. Planet with maximum number of satellite is Saturn. So these are the mainly some facts about planets. Okay, so these are the solar planets of facts about planet. Okay, you understand about that? So biggest planet is Jupiter. Biggest satellite is Ganymede. Ganymede. Next, blue planet is Earth. Green planet is Uranus, and brightest planet is Venus. Brightest planet outside solar system is Sirius. Closest star of solar system is Proxima Centauri. Coldest planet is Neptune. Unique star is Venus. Farthest planet of sun is Neptune. Planet with maximum number of satellites is Saturn. Okay, okay, students. These are the topics covered today. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the next day the GK topics. So in this we can cover lot of topics. So compared to here, so here the lot of topic means not only science, physics, chemistry, biology, everything, and social studies also. So the main topics that is very essential daily life, everyone must you have to learn this topic, then only we can write almost all exams. So in our daily life, so this topics is very necessary. So that's why we are talking. Okay, so after completion of this lesson today, so you have to do that. So first of all, definitely you want to subscribe my channel, then only almost all when I am uploading any videos to you, this video directly come to your YouTube. Okay, so in this section we have one bell symbol, you have to press that, the notification directly come to your YouTube list. So almost all student, they all you are watching only on WhatsApp, so don't watch directly. So click in the link, YouTube link, then go to the YouTube. There we get one tab, that is subscribe button. You have to press that button. So daily I will give number of topics about this GK section. Okay, so in the GK section we can complete almost all topics. So also last I will give one so questions also. I'm asking some questions. So in this question we have to complete so every question and you have to answer that. I will provide you key to the afternoon section every day. So you have to check whether what type of knowledge you have in the general knowledge section. Okay, very thank you to you are watching my video. Thank you all.